So here you can see the controller that I've been working on. This is in Fusion 360. It's designed to control MA so that you can focus your lights remotely. It's designed for one-handed use. We've got a joystick, some buttons, space for a screen, and some rotary encoders. Okay, so this is the controller printed out in real life. As you can see, it's a fairly rough 3D printing job. I'm still getting the hang of 3D printing. So let's go ahead and turn it on. You'll notice it very quickly connects to Wi-Fi and to the MA session. It's using Telnet. So if we have a look in our MA window, you'll see that I can control the lights using the joystick. If I click, it will give me faster movement on the joystick. This is so that you can get very fast positions and then do fine movements. Obviously it's analog, so you can move very slowly if you would like. Next buttons, previous, you can select all, and we also have our highlight button. These will be configurable. These buttons here will be configurable via Web UI. We also over here have pan and tilt as indicated by the screen, which is nicely cracked. So these give you much finer adjustments using a rotary encoder for your pan and tilt. You can also use this button here for now to give you even finer. As you can see in the MA window, each click is only moving me 0.1, which is very, very fine. So the idea is you use this to roughen your position, and then you can use this. On the end here, we've got USB-C, which is lovely. We've got a full color screen, and it is molded so it fits quite comfortably in your hand. It is very, very lightweight and has a 900 milliamp hour battery in it. So you can use these buttons on the side here. This button here will open a menu, and then you use your rotary encoder to select which item you would like on the screen. Then this is an enter button. And then the menu button will also be a back button, and it will get you back out to your pan and tilt. The idea behind that is that I will eventually make it so that these buttons can, these encoders can also be used for things such as iris or zoom or focus. But also in the menu you'll be able to hopefully be able to select macros or different presets that you've got saved, or different groups. So yeah, that's the rough prototype I've been working on for the last week.